Okay, I'm going to show you the tap and swing that's in this lovely drawstring bag. So you'll have a base and you'll have 4 straight poles, and then you'll have a pole with the string and the half ball. You'll have a little T and a little extra little connector, and then you've got your instructions on assembling. I'm going to show you how to assemble. So you've got 1 pole with a bit of tape on the end that goes into the base to give it that lovely sturdy stability there, and then you pop them on different heights. You might want to put the T on there, yeah, different ways of stacking it, but we're going to do the full tap and swing. So we put slot them in and then put the crossbar across with the half ball. So that is how you assemble a tap and swing.